How to change Facebook business page to personal page. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on your profile at the top. This is your Facebook business page. Now, go back and tap on the arrow down button at the top as shown. Here, tap on your personal account. You have now switched to your personal page from your business page. Go to your profile to view and manage your profile settings. This way, you get more control on how you use and interact with Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily change Facebook business page to personal page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.